Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, back out on the nursery today looking at all the spring bulbs again, and I've got these beautiful Muscari. Muscari, also known as a grape hyacinth. These come in different colours. It used to be just one straight sort of traditional blue, but this one is called Night Eyes. It's dark coloured with a sort of a paler blue top to it, and then as the little flowers open, they've each got a tiny white rim around the edge of the sort of petal, so that makes it look like an eye, they say, and that's why it's called Night Eyes. These are really good for naturalising in your sort of, if you've got a little bit of long grass or something somewhere that you don't mow so often, before the grass gets going, these will come up and flower, or just even under planting beds and borders with, you know, larger shrubs, roses. These are really good for that, or in your tubs and things as well. So plant them in the autumn if you want to buy them as a bulb, or get them potted like this. They'll usually come earlier in the year, just starting to grow through, and then you'll have the flowers for several weeks. We're right sort of in the peak of the flowering now, still a few more to come. This is the middle of April, so really good for early season colour before the bedding plants kick in. And if you want something good in your garden, really good for the early season bees as well. These are basically, I've just come and picked these up, and there was hundreds of bees buzzing around the patch of these on the nursery, so they're much loved by them. Good little nectar source for your insects. That's Muscari. Thanks very much and see you next time.